Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It's been a little while since I filmed a video. I think it's been since November, which was when we went to Japan. I'll leave my last video linked for you to watch that if you've missed it. But we're back. The other day I placed an online order from one of my favorite vegan specialty stores, which is called Vegan Supply. And I thought it would be fun to just film a little quick video doing a haul for you. This is by no means a regular grocery shop for us. This is definitely like special, fun, specialty products that we definitely don't get every week. I've got these two bags of goodies to go through. So this one is frozen, so I'll do this one first so I can pop those things back in the freezer. I think in total for all this stuff, we spent about $100 Canadian. So I'll figure out whatever the conversion is for the different currencies, but $100 Canadian. I feel like we got a decent amount of stuff. This is a brand that we really like, that a lot of the local restaurants carry for their dishes. So it's called Happy Veggie World, and this is the vegan sweet and sour pork. I've never actually tried this one before, but I've tried their vegan shrimp. I'm looking forward to try this because sweet and sour pork was one of my favorite kind of Chinese takeaway dishes before I went vegan. Another Happy Veggie World. This is the, like I just mentioned, the plant-based imitation shrimp. Texturally, it's kind of scarily close to shrimp. I mean, it's been almost 7 years since I've had shrimp. This is a new product that I've been wanting to try. Field Roast is a company that makes lots of products, field roast sausages, hot dogs, stuff like that. And this is the mushroom and balsamic plant-based deli slices. Just sounded really tasty to me. I like having some vegan deli slices on hand just for like quick sandwiches if we're going on like a little picnic. They're also really good for if you're making kind of a vegan charcuterie board type thing or a snack plate. I'm excited about these. Got 3 different flavors. So something I've always wanted to try since I've gone vegan is like finding a good version of like a vegan pizza pocket. And I feel like they're kind of few and far between. So it's called C2's Kitchen. C2's Kitchen. Oh my gosh. I knew that was gonna happen. C2's Kitchen calzones. I got 3 different flavors. So this is the veggie pepperoni, Hawaiian, which I'm very excited about, Supreme. I just thought these would be good to have in the freezer for days that I'm feeling really exhausted and don't have the energy to think about what to eat for lunch. And I can just pop these in the air fryer. Pretty good size, head for scale. I think that's everything for the frozen stuff. Okay, so next bag. This is the big bag. This is a brand that I have discovered recently. I think it's a Canadian brand, potentially from Quebec. And I've tried their deli meats before, but I did find this tuna flavored plant-based flakes, which before I went vegan, I really liked a tuna salad sandwich. It's just a nice thing to kind of have for a quick lunch. And something I noticed with the other ones I found in the cans, this one has, it's got over twice the amount of tuna in the pack. And it also has 20 grams of protein per half pack, so 40 grams for the whole thing. So I'm hoping that this is at least 2 servings and it's a significant increase in protein. Another convenient lunch for low energy days. Something I used to get all the time, but I haven't in a while, is this Sunflower Kitchen basil pesto. This is a vegan and nut-free pesto because I have a nut allergy. A lot of the vegan pestos that I've seen either still have pine nuts or they have like cashews for kind of that cheese element that's usually in pesto. I really recommend it if you can find it, and it's a good amount. A couple of things we wanted to stock up on. We always like to have some of these Butler soy curls in the cupboard. These are really handy for any kind of stir fry or curry or anything where you might want kind of like a meaty, almost like a chicken strip. They come dehydrated and then you just rehydrate them. You can, a lot of the time we rehydrate them using vegetable stock. This was probably the highest ticket item on our order this time. Anthony's Premium Vital Wheat Gluten, and this came in a bag of 1.81 kilograms. And this bag lasts ages. I think our last bag probably lasted us over 6 months. You can use this to make your own homemade seitan, which is super easy. It's like we've made our own vegan ribs, like barbecue ribs. We've made our own vegan chicken strips. Something I want to try this year is making our own sausages. And it's also very high in protein. 1/4 cup of Vital Wheat Gluten, it's 24 grams of protein. Something I have also tried recently, I'll leave a link in the description. Plentifully Based, I think that's what the blog is called, has a recipe for making super easy protein bagels. So you use kind of like part Vital Wheat Gluten and part flour, and then it makes a higher protein bagel, which is really nice for easy breakfasts and lunches. I think this might be my last item in here. So this is the Daya Smoked Gouda block. We've tried the smoked Gouda slices, but I wanted to try the block. I like to do little snack plates, charcuterie boards, and also you could even shred this. A few years ago, I didn't really like Daya. It didn't really melt very well. It was kind of like rubbery and like stuck to your mouth. But they've recently, in the last year or so, changed their formulation, and it is amazing. Honestly, like Daya is one of our favorite cheeses now, vegan cheeses, and it melts really well, and it's pretty easily accessible as well. Yeah, so that's everything we got in this vegan supply order. Like I said, I think this was a total of around $100 Canadian, which isn't too bad for some fun specialty products. And I think about 33 of it, so like 1/3 of it, was the Vital Wheat Gluten, which is literally going to last us probably 6 months, which is really good value, and some fun new things to try, which I'm excited about. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these products and what you thought of them. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.